In today's tutorial, I am going to teach you how to blur a face in Photoshop using 3 professional and effective methods. Whether you are looking for a smooth aesthetic blur, manual control, or a classic censorship-style pixelation, I have you covered. This is an essential skill for privacy, anonymity, or creative editing, and it will save you a lot of time once you master these techniques. If this video helps you improve your workflow, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more editing tips. Let us get started with the first method. To begin, open your image in Adobe Photoshop. First, we will look at the Gaussian Blur method, which is the most popular choice for clean results. Find the toolbar on the left and select the lasso tool by pressing L on your keyboard, or choose the elliptical marquee tool by pressing M. Carefully draw a selection around the face you want to hide. Now, navigate to the top menu. Go to Filter, then select Blur, and choose Gaussian Blur from the list. A dialog box will appear. Adjust the radius slider to the right until the face is sufficiently blurred to your liking. Once you are satisfied with the level of distortion, simply click OK to apply the effect. Moving on to our second method, the Blur tool, which is perfect if you need manual control over specific areas. Select the Blur tool from your main toolbar. Before you start, head to the Options bar at the top and set the strength to somewhere between 40 and 60%. This allows for a more natural transition. Now click and brush directly over the face. You can brush multiple times to increase the intensity gradually. This method gives you total control over exactly where the blur is applied. Finally, let us cover the Pixelate method, which is ideal if you want that classic censorship look. Again, use your lasso tool to select the face. Instead of going to the Blur menu, this time go to Filter, then select Pixelate, and finally click on Mosaic. Just like before, you can adjust the cell size slider until the face is completely obscured. When you have the look you want, click OK. It really is that easy to protect privacy while editing. If this video helped you learn how to blur faces, please leave a comment down below. And again, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more Photoshop guides. Thanks for watching.